Thank you for joining me. Today, I am going to be talking about being mindful and conscious of your thoughts and your word choice. So, when you want to change your negative self talk or your thoughts, first, you want to give yourself permission. I give myself permission to change. And when you feel comfortable repeating that statement, I give myself permission to change, and it feels good as it sits within your beingness, then you want to move to the next step, which is I choose to change. So you're making a progression from something where you are not into something that you are. So there are 4 steps. I give myself permission, I choose, I am or have, and then I enjoy. So let's go over that again. So first, give yourself permission to change. I give myself permission to change. Then I choose to change. And then I am changed, or I have changed. And then I enjoy my changes. So let's use this example with money. I give myself permission to make more money. I give myself permission to make more money. I choose to make more money. I make more money, and then I enjoy more money. Now let's do it with having a loving romantic relationship. I give myself permission to be in a loving romantic relationship. I choose to be in a loving romantic relationship. I am in a loving romantic relationship, and I enjoy my loving romantic relationship. And then for the last example, I'm going to use ideal job. I give myself permission to have an ideal job, or I'm sorry, I give myself permission to have my ideal job. I choose to have my ideal job. I have my ideal job, and I enjoy my ideal job. So the idea is to gently, with easy progressions of believability, is to move out of what you don't have and into what you want. But what you want has got to be thought of and felt as if you do have it in the now. And so that's why the progression is very important, especially if you have not had that which you want for some time. It's easier to give yourself permission than to choose it, than to have it or be it. And then when you are at the point of enjoying it in your visualization or your affirmation, meditation, or contemplation, it is right outside of your doorstep, ready to manifest. So please subscribe to the channel, hit the like button if this has been a helpful tip. Please comment on some of the things that you might be doing in order to move from what you don't have to what you do want and have. Thank you, and have a magical day.